In Kıgari's rainforest, giant trees stretch up, competing for sunlight. While long roots reach down, seeking out nutrients. In the soil, a network of mycorrhizal fungi breaks down organic matter to extract nitrogen, essential for all plants to grow. The fungi deliver the nitrogen direct to the tree roots. In return, they get glucose from the trees. It's a win-win situation, creating a lush wonderland. At night, the fungi put on a show. Not underground, but attached to the trees. Bioluminescent mushrooms. No one knows why they have evolved to glow like this. Maybe it is to attract insects, which scatter their spores. Or maybe it is just a happy and colourful accident of nature.